Welcome to my tutorial class. Today I'd like to have discussion on the construction of angles with the help of compass. Dear learners, let's first know how to construct 60-degree angle. For this, all you need are scale, compass and pencil. So let's start. Take a scale and draw a line of any length. Let me give the name AB to this line. Adjust the pencil on the compass as you see on the screen. Keep the tip of the compass at one end of the line, suppose at A. Make an arc rotating the compass. Now, without disturbing the distance between the compass and the pencil, keep the tip of the compass at this intersecting point and cut at the previous arc you have drawn. In this way. Now remove the compass and draw the line with the help of the scale at the point A. As you can see in the video. For this, you need to draw the line joining the points A and the intersecting point on the arc. As you can see on the screen. Let us draw the line from the point A. Remove the scale and let us name the other end as C. Hence, the angle BAC is constructed, which is 60 degree. Dear learners, I hope watching this tutorial now you can construct 60-degree angle by using compass. Thank you very much for returning to my channel. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you very much.